You might be asking yourself, do I really need a money coach? Well, let me ask you this. When it comes to thinking about your money, are you totally clear about where you are, or are you in what I call a financial fog? Do you feel that you are unaware of the money coming in and the money going out and how it's being spent in between? Maybe you're earning well, but you just don't feel like you're making the most of your cash. Maybe you're getting to the end of the month and you're a bit disappointed with how much is left in the bank. Or maybe there's even more and more going onto the credit card every month and you just don't like it. Maybe you'd really like to be able to have an open conversation with money, but you just don't feel comfortable enough to do so. If any of those things resonate with you, come and have a chat with me, and I'll then invite you to come on a financial adventure. Let's just see if I can help you through this fog and get you on a path to feeling clear, knowledgeable, comfortable, and confident about your money situation, so that you can build wealth and get to the level of financial success that you actually have always been dreaming of.